Oh, the heck? Okay. Actually, tignan natin to. Whoa! Hi there, welcome back, and today we are doing an unboxing, and I really extremely miss doing this because unboxing packages is one of my therapy. I'm just really excited right now. Excuse the noise, that's my portable heater because it's getting cold here. My office is in the basement. So anyway, my brother got me a Brother embroidery sewing machine, and I thought it'd be fun to unbox and test it out for the first time and share it with you guys because I know you guys love everything fashion and sewing. So we're gonna test this out, and it's right here. I'm actually in the middle of studying, but I cannot wait to open this. So we're gonna do that right now. First, we've got, I'm sorry, I don't have my tripod today, unfortunately. We got the pedal, so this is one you step on too. By the way, I do have a sewing machine right there, but that's just a regular sewing machine. I don't have an industrial machine here. It's way too expensive here in the US. So this one is the pedal. Then this is the adapter, and it comes with these accessories. I'll show it in depth look later, but it does come with embroidery needles, which is much different than a regular sewing machine. We got a board cloth, and this is what the hoop looks like. This is where you put your fabric and just to keep the fabric in place when you do embroidery. So a regular sewing machine wouldn't have this. So if you think of an embroidery hoop, it's usually made of wood, rubber, or plastic. It's usually round, but this one, it's in a rectangular or square shape. We've got here the manual. It also comes with a bunch of presser foot and, well, feet, because there's a lot, but not a lot of sewing machines have these. They usually just come with whatever you need, like literally like one piece. Oh, that's big, RG.
Those are two.
That's not two. Oh, my brother is here. He just woke up because he... Okay, so we'll set this up because it is quite big, but let me show you what it looks like in the box. Huh?
Okay,
so here it goes.
You gotta buy it now.
I have to buy the thread art.
You buy every color?
Yeah, we'll buy it in bulk. But here, can you hold this? So this is the extension. That's where the embroidery happens. And this is the machine. I'm gonna give a size comparison to my regular sewing machine in a second. So here's a size comparison. This one's here's the name. It's Simple 700 or something. But this, okay, this isn't light, but I can lift it with one hand. And that one, this thing is heavy. It's heavy compared to this one. And plus, do you see the size comparison? If I could just... This one just looks bulky, but this one's really nice. This one goes here, so we'll do that right now. Go ahead. So we finally set it up, and we're writing my brother's initials. Or something.
Ooh.
And that's gonna write this.
Oh, you got it.
There's so manual art. Oh, that happened. that sound scare me.
We're good now, right?
That's it.
We're good. Cut it.
Okay.
Cut it? Like.
My brother left already, but we finally figured it out. And this is what it looks like now. We've played around and we've used my brother's initials. It came out like this. We don't have like the fuse underneath. That's why it just looks like that. It's very, and the material is very thin too, but it's really nice. It's so nice. So right now it's on my desk and I had to move my computer from this side to this side. This is not the most ideal spot that I would have this machine on. I am gonna get a bigger desk rather than just that one, so I can put both of them in that side. But here, let me show you everything else that came with it. I'm sorry, we got too excited, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. For reference, this is everything that comes with the machine, so that you have a whole list over here. In the first bag, this is what you get. You have all these presser feet. This is like the basic one that you use. Right now I have the embroidery foot in there. This one I know is a zipper foot. This one's a blind stitch and a buttonhole. I don't know how to use these two, but yeah. And it also comes with bobbins, which is nice, and pre-filled ones already. If we are not using the embroidery part of this machine, we can take it off just like that. There's a lever here underneath, and then we can replace it back to the regular one, which looks just like that. And it also is a storage, just like every sewing machine. And in here I've already placed the other tools. You got this screwdriver, you got these snippers, a seam ripper. We have here this special needle, which I have yet to discover how to use. This one's for the bobbin, I believe. If you have extra bobbins or thread, spools of thread, you just put it there. Another screwdriver thingy, and then we got our needles, and then more for the thread. So this is what an embroidery foot looks like. So if it's not on the embroidery mode, it does look like this. Ito lang siya, and then it has all these different stitches that you can work with. And ito yung kinalabasan niya. Ay, hindi pala yan. So ayan, ito yung iba. Ayan pa yung iba. Ayan, iba dyan. Ayan. Actually, tignan natin to. Oh! Whoa! Okay, I'm such manol right now. I don't know the Tagalog word for manol, but kung Ilonggo ka, you know what manol means. And I'm so manol right now. I just clicked this, and you have more! Oh my gosh! What's this flower stuff? Oh! That is so cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Again, I have yet to buy a desk or a sewing table for my machines, because this over here right next to my study table is just not gonna work. I am so sorry, I forgot to show you, but here's the rest of what comes with a machine. Of course, you got your hoop, and it comes with this little sheet right here as your guide as to where your design is going to be centered. This is only a 4x4 hoop, so I don't know if you can buy a bigger one and adjust with it, but this is what it came with. And it also came with this dust bag that I showed earlier, but it doesn't have its own like lid with the same material of the machine. It does have a dust bag. there you go. That is everything for this video. I am now gonna get back to studying, and I'll probably make a video, an embroidery video using this machine, because it really excites me, and winter break is coming soon, so watch out for our videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and God bless you all. Bye bye.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.